Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about a very interesting topic in Python, which is the difference between the is operator and the equality operator. So without any delay, let's get started. So let's take a very simple example of a list. Let's say a is equal to 1 comma 2, and also I create another list with the same values. So now if I try to check if the value of a is equal to b or not, I get true, right? So the equality operator here is providing me the result that is true. It means that the list A and B are equal. And now if I just try to check if A is B or not, then I get false. So what's happening here? That is what we need to understand. So the equality operator simply checks if the values stored in these two lists are equal or not, right? And A is B is another operator. It's a special operator which checks if A and B are being stored at the same memory location or not. So how do we know that A and B are not stored at the same location? It simply uses the id function, the built-in id function, in which it passes the object. So look at that, id of a is this and id of b is this, and certainly id of a is not equal to id of b. So that is the reason why we have got a is b is false, because they are not being stored at same memory location. Because when I do b equal to 1 comma 2, I make another list at a different memory location. Okay, so this is how it works. And but in the case of very simple, let's say very simple literals like 1 2 3, there is there is a number called 1 2 3, and then there is then I again define 1 2 3. Okay, so let's take this case. A is equal to 1 2 3, b is equal to 1 2 3. The value of a and b is same. And are a and b equal? Yes, a and b are being stored at the same location. Okay, but now let me show you something weird. I will define a big integer here. A is equal to 5678, b is equal to 5678. A and b have same value, but a and b are not same. I mean, a and b are not being stored at same location. So what's happening here right now? Now in the case of strings or the integers, if you take any big number, then Python will simply not search for that particular value in the existing memory and will simply create a new object. And why is that? It's because there is a trade-off between finding that particular value, which means the time of execution and the memory efficiency that you want to achieve. So that is the reason why in case of small integers, or let's say even small strings, if I have something like hi, okay, and I have b equal to hi, then a and b are same, a is b is true. But now let me make it hi Indian Pythonista. Okay, and then here again I will just paste the same string. So let's see what happens here. So A and B are same, but A is B is not true. And why is that? It's happening this way because in the case of long strings, Python will not search for it in the complete memory to see if that particular string already exists or not. It will simply create a new string object because it wants to save time, because searching for long strings takes time. So there is a trade-off. You must understand that there is a trade-off between the time of execution of your code and the memory efficiency, and that is why we get such kind of a weird behavior. So this is all about the difference between the equality operator and the is operator, and how it works differently for different kind of values and objects. And I hope the concept is clear. If you still have any doubts, you can put them in the comment section below. So that's it from this video. Thanks for watching.